Welcome. Today I am with XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro and I will show you how you can enable and customize always on display in this smartphone. So the first you have to get a Muviz Edge application because this feature, the always on display, is not available in this phone. So we have to use this application. Let's install. Okay, so when the download is finished, you can open this application, and here we have two permissions that we have to grant. So tap right here, and then at the bottom. You have to scroll down, select Muviz Edge, tap on the switcher, then just go back and tap to get started. Right now we have to select AOD screens. And right now you can pick your favorite theme. I would like to get this one, so click apply, and to customize, tap right here. We can find here a few options that we can set up, as you can see, and I would like to show you my favorite setup, so we can just follow the same. And right now everything is correctly set up, so right now we can lock our device and take a look. As you can see right now, the always on display appears on the screen. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.